let us take a moment to recognize students who have truly shined in their own unique ways. Tonight, we honor excellence, talent, and charisma through our special award. So how do we get the special award? So this is not just tonight, this is throughout the school year. So a unique personality is carried out by your schoolmate, and then we will recognize them tonight. So you have voted for them, right? So the winners also came from you. So to start off, out of this world organizer. So ibig sabihin, siya yung pinakamagaling mag-organize. So who would that be? From the grade 9 level, Miss Rina Gabriel Santos. The Well-Rounded Division Award goes to Miss Jalaya Kaylan D. The Peace Prize Award goes to Miss Eunice Obrasio. When I call the next awardee, please show off your Super Smile to award the Super Smile Award, Mr. Jevin Joseph Ligo. Smile lang dyan. The class cheerleader, Miss Dylan Beatriz Casumpa. Mr. Agreeable Attitude Award, Mr. Jose Elizalde Fruta. So, agree na to. Happy Helper Award, Miss Samantha Isabel Herrera. Show us that you are neat and tidy. Miss Skylar Daniel Dakaya. The Kindness Count Award, Miss Maria Elise Emery Ochoa. Actually creative, Miss Martina Sofia Matias. Congratulations, grade 9. A picture muna for the awardees. Advisors, would you like to join? Grade 9 advisors. So we also have the counterpart awardees from grade 10 level. Thank you so much. Palakpakan.